Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to add already installed games to Epic Games. So let's get started. At first let's get into Epic Games. Make sure you have already signed into it and now let's get into library. If you have downloaded or installed any game already, you will be able to see this launch option over here, and if not, you can see this install option. So this is already installed. Now let's click on these three dots over here. To launch this to Epic Games, simply click on launch and the app or the game will be launched. And to add it to favorites or any other collection, so let's tap on these three dots over here, and here are the options to add to favorites. Simply click on add to favorites to add it to favorites. And if you want it in any new collections, you can simply click on add to collection and create new collection over here. You can name your collections. You can simply name your collection and simply click on create collection over here. So it's done. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.